Chapter 5, The Fog of News, the fundamental narrative of summer 2026. In this lesson, we'll analyze the confusing narratives that blinded investors, explore the hollow rally that masks structural weakness, and prove why news is often a lagging indicator of market physics. Welcome back. In Chapter 4, we saw the engine room overheating. While our internal data was signaling critical failure, the public narrative was a study in absolute confusion and contradiction. Investors were caught in a daily tug of war. The bullish story focused on strong earnings and AI potential, while the bearish story centered on rising oil prices, inflation, and a hawkish Federal Reserve. As the summer progressed, a key theme emerged: the hollow rally. Analysts correctly identified that headline indices were being held up by a dangerously small number of mega-cap stocks. This collapsing market breadth became a major point of concern, drawing parallels to the dot-com era. The surface appeared magnificent, but the internal coordination was already gone. By late July, scrutiny shifted to the tech generals themselves. The story evolved from AI at any cost to critical questions about profitability and cash flow after disappointing forecasts from Alphabet and Tesla. The FOMC meeting on July 29th was the climax of this confusion. An initial relief rally inverted into an aggressive sell-off as details emerged, proving that the news provides the story, but the structure dictates the outcome. Ultimately, the fog of news was a lagging reflection of the structural battle our data had already identified. To win, we must learn to think like physicists, measuring forces rather than listening to stories. To recap, the news created a fog of confusion. The hollow rally narrative exposed internal decay, and the pre-existing market structure was the true driver of the eventual breakdown. In our next chapter, we'll examine the reaction wave, the mathematical footprint of the fast money, to see how the most agile participants actually position their capital. I'll see you in Chapter 6.